Welcome student, chapter number 3, problem number 18, long problem. There are two partners, Verma and Sharma, sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3. They admitted Ghosh for 1/5 of share. Okay, Ghosh to bring rupees 20,000 as capital and 4,000 as his share of goodwill. So premium of goodwill. There are 4 cases. Give the necessary journal entries. 1. When goodwill is retained. So journal number 1 for first case. Debit what comes in, cash account data. 2. Goes capital. Goes brings 20,000 for his good capital. 2. Premium for goodwill. That will 4,000. Totally 24,000 contributed by Goes. Being capital and goodwill brought by Goes. So 20,000 for goodwill and 20,000 for capital and 4,000 for goodwill brought by new partner Goes. So immediately the goodwill is transferred to the existing shareholders in sacrificing ratio. In this problem, old ratio given, but new ratio not given. So no need to calculate sacrifice ratio. If you calculate sacrifice ratio, the sacrifice becomes the old ratio only. So no need to calculate sacrifice ratio. If old ratio and new ratio given in problem, you must calculate sacrifice ratio by calculating old ratio minus new ratio. So in this problem, new ratio not given. So you assume old ratio as sacrifice ratio. So the 4,000 transferred to existing partners. Sacrificing ratio 5:3. That is it. So the journal for goodwill transferred to old partner is premium for goodwill account data 4,000 to the old partner name Verma Capital. Verma Capital 2,500 to Sharma Capital 1,500. So premium for goodwill transfer to old partners. So this is case number 1. When goodwill retained in the books. Okay. In 2. First case to what? When amount of goodwill is fully withdrawn. Goodwill withdrawn by existing partners. First one, cash account data to new partner capital. So new partner brings 20,000 for goodwill to premium for goodwill, that is 4,000. So new partner brings 24,000, out of which 20,000 for his capital, 4,000 premium for goodwill. So capital and goodwill brought by Goes. So number 2, immediately the premium for goodwill transferred to older partners. So 4,000 is transferred to older partners by sacrificing ratio. I already told, if new ratio not given, no need to calculate sacrifice ratio. If you calculate the same, the 5:3 becomes a sacrifice ratio, so no need to calculate. So premium for goodwill account data. The code is not enough, so I write GW, but don't write in exam. In exam, you must write in premium for goodwill account. Board is not enough, so I put GWIL. This is wrong method. In your examination, you must write premium for goodwill account data 4,000. So the existing partner name is Varma. Varma's not the cap account. Varma's capital account. 2,500 to Sarma capital account 1,500. So premium for goodwill transfer to existing partners capital account, not the partners, not the capital account. So in case 1, the partner retained the goodwill amount. In case 2, the partner withdrawn full amount. So what is the ratio for the withdrawn of goodwill? Debit the receiver. Both the partner receive the goodwill. So number 3rd journal for case B. So Varma capital account. Varma took 2,500 and Sarma took 1,500 to premium for goodwill account. Okay. So goodwill taken by partners. So in case B, full amount of premium for goodwill transferred to partners capital, full amount of premium goodwill taken by all the partners. So in free, 50% of goodwill taken by all the partners. So journal 1, cash account data. So now case C, 50% goodwill withdrawn. So number 1, capital and premium for goodwill brought by new partner goes. Number 2, premium for goodwill transferred to partners capital account. So Varma take half of goodwill. Half is 1,250. Then Sarma take half of goodwill, that is 750. Only 50% of premium for goodwill taken by the existing partners to cash account. 2,000. So remaining 50,000 retained in capital account. So 50% of goodwill taken by old partners. Narration is essential for every journal. Narration is very important for every journal. So in case C, 50% of premium for goodwill taken by the existing partners. So case D, when goodwill is paid privately, there is no entry about goodwill, because goodwill not keep in partnership account. So the new partner paid out of business. The new partner pay out of business to the old partners. So no need journal for premium for goodwill. So according to this situation, only capital recorded in firm's account. So capital brought by goes. So this is journal number 1. Journal number 2, no entry about goodwill. Because goodwill paid privately. Okay, because when goodwill paid privately to the old partners, there is no journal in the books of the firm. because goodwill is paid privately out of the business.